Tired of fumbling around trying to find your USDT wallet address on Bybit? I'm going to break it down for you in under 90 seconds. First, open the Bybit app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. See that Assets button in the bottom right corner of your screen? Tap on that. This brings you to your asset overview. Now, look for the deposit button near the top of the screen and tap it. You'll be taken to the deposit page here. You'll need to specify which cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Use the search bar at the top and type in USDT. You should see USDT appear in the search results. Tap on USDT now. This is important. You need to choose the correct network for your USDT deposit. Common networks include ERC20, TRC20, and BEP20. Make sure the network you choose matches the network your sender is using, or you could lose your funds. For this example, let's choose TRC20. After selecting your network, your USDT wallet address will be displayed. You'll also see a QR code, which you can use to scan the address. To copy the address, simply tap the copy icon next to the address. A small notification will appear confirming that the address has been copied to your clipboard, and that's it. You've successfully found your USDT wallet address on Bybit. Now you can share this address with the person sending you USDT. Remember to always double check the address before sharing it to avoid any errors. Good luck.